Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the theme in the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down, and at the app settings section look for the choose a theme button. And as you can see, these are the options that you can choose from, so you can set it to dark, light or auto mode. So just click on the one that you want to use. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.